Title of our project is Air Pollution Monitoring System using IoT, which is done by V. Venkat Rahul, Gadde Sai Nitish, and CH Taranteja. Under the guidance of Dr. S. Jagan Sir, ME PhD, Professor, Department of CSC, Veltec Rangarajan Shakuntala, R&D Institute of Science and Technology. The abstract is air pollution is one of the biggest threats for the environment and affects everyone humans, animals, cities, forests, aquatic ecosystems. And air pollution is the biggest problem of every nation, whether it is developed or developing. And these are the list of figures, list of acronyms and abbreviations IoT, CO2, SO2, ppm, WHO, OSHA, CPCB. The, the introduction. With economic development and population rise in cities, environmental pollution problems involving air pollution, water pollution, noise, and the shortage of land resources have attracted increasing attention. Among these air pollution's direct impact on humans' health through exposure to pollutants has resulted in increased public awareness in both developing and developed countries as well. Aim of the project. It is necessary to monitor air quality and keep it under control for better future and healthy living for all. Due to flexibility and low cost Internet of Things, IoT is getting popular day by day. The project domain. The project is based on Internet of Things for the detection of toxic gases in the air. Scope of the project. The scope of the project is to control the pollution percentage in the polluted areas to make the pollution free areas. Methodology. It indicates the early phase of the project. An IoT-based air pollution detection kit is developed. It deals with the collection of data from gases sensors connected to the Arduino, and the information is sent to the cloud platform that stores it. And this is the literature review which we collected from various websites. Existing system. IoT-based air pollution monitoring system is used to monitor the air quality over a web server using internet. It will trigger an alarm when the air quality goes down beyond a certain level. Means when there are sufficient amount of harmful gases present in the atmosphere such as CO2, smoke, alcohol, benzene, NH3 and NOx. Proposal system. We proposed a eco-friendly and budget-free project by use Arduino, Uno, and air quality sensor, and the values are displayed by LED display. It shows the air quality. Feasibility studies. Feasibility study may be a high-level capsule version of the whole process intended to answer variety of questions like what's the problem? Is there any feasible solution to given problem? Is the problem even worth solving? Feasibility study is conducted once the matter is clearly understood. Economic feasibility. This assessment typically involves a cost or benefits analysis of the project, helping organizations determine the variability, cost, and benefits associated with the project before financial resources are allocated. And technical feasibility. This assessment focuses on the technical resources available on the organization. It helps the organizations to determine whether the technical resources meet the capacity and where the technical team is capable of converting the ideas into working systems. The system specifications are hardware soft, hardware specification, which includes laptop, processor 11th gen Intel, installed RAM 16.0 GB, system type is 16-bit operating system. And the software specifications are Windows 10, Arduino, Visual Studio. Module description. General architecture. This is the general architecture we have designed. And this is the data flow diagram. Data flow diagram is a graphical representation of the flow of data through an information system, modeling its process aspects. Often it is a preliminary step used to create an overview of the system, can be later elaborated. The data flow diagram is follows as it firstly it collects the data and then pre-process the data by using the algorithms, and then finally it displays the data. This is the use case diagram for our project as well as the sequence diagram. A sequence diagram is a kind of interaction diagram. It describes the time ordering the messages between objects in a specific requirement. Implementation and testing part. Input and output. The input design is the process of converting user organized input format to the computer-based format. This computer-based format is called as input form or source document. And this is the output design. The diagram clearly explains that the output design of air pollution monitoring system. Here the LCD display show the exact air quality and the MQ135 gas sensor detects the gases like ammonia, sulfur, benzene, alcohol and other harmful gases and smoke as well. When it comes to testing part, testing is the process of executing a program with the aim of finding errors. To make our software perform well, it should be error free. Testing is done successfully, it will remove all the errors from the software. Unit testing. It includes many types of testing such as unit testing, integration testing as well. Trials and discussions. Efficiency of the proposed system. The proposed design is a star network of outdoor wireless sensor nodes spread across the specified 1 square kilometer of the urban area for monitoring air quality of the environment. Comparison of existing and proposed system. In the proposed system, we are using a Google Sheet to store data. It will be very easy to access and edit data collected from the various pollutants. The advantage of the proposed system are collects the data from air quality monitoring helps us assess impacts caused by the poor quality on public health. Air quality health data helps us to determine if an area is meeting the air quality standards divided by CPCB, WHO or OSHA. And this is the sample code related to our project. And the conclusions are this is IoT based Internet of Things air pollution monitoring system is a great step towards a healthy livelihood. With the help of this device, not only the municipal authorities but even the common people can participate in the process of controlling pollution and ensure a safe environment. The future enhancements which was done by ourselves are the future scope is that device which we are having can be done in compact way by the reducing size of device for the further implementation or modification which can be is that detecting the vehicle's amount of pollution which can be determined. In future, the range can be made increased according to the bandwidth for the high range frequencies. And this is the plagiarism report.